Sanibonani. Welcome to Sportibong Zikamala Mbongi Nkosi. Ingiphethele indaba la. It's good news and bad news. But asiqale ngalezi ezibhlungu bese sivale ngezinhle ezimnandi. So as we know ukuthi kule game esidlala versus Siswelele FC, it seems like ukuthi Khanyisa Mayo nje had a problem with his hamstring. So far nothing has been reported ukuthi what's the update about him ukuthi is he going to be available when we play second leg of the CAF Confederations with the Simba AS Simba at Dobsonville Stadium. So kusho kona ukuthi since kusathulekile they are still nursing that hamstring. So simply means ukuthi yeah ngathi kuzonyukela because is one player I thought ukuthi he's going to be our main striker, especially knowing the fact that he has the experience playing in these competitions. Formerly was playing for CR Belouizdad lapha Algeria, but akusukuloko kuphela, but the way he plays it makes it easier for ama teammates wakhe so that they can play, because he's able to drop deep, collect the ball and make sure that he links up play, hold up play yakhe is very good. But sinzwele vele ngazathi amathuba maningi ukuthi singazithola sidlala ngekho. Kusho kona ke ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs, I hope they have a plan B, because we saw Ighodaro his debut ukuthi it was impressive and he can almost do the same things that Khanyisa Mayo does. He has a real prowess again, and for that competition we need players like that, especially players that are physically strong. Because power Ighodaro can give you that. Hopefully njengoba bamregistile can be used, because I don't think ukuthi a player like Udupriz can come to the party, a player like Uduba can come to the party, because Uduba, it looks a little bit lost in almost all the matches that we have played. It seems lost, because even when they try to partner him with Ighodaro versus Siswelele, you can see that he was running all over. Bonga understand what was happening, because I think his confidence dropped drastically, and it was something nice to see, because we know the confidence Duba is capable of what, because we know he can play, he can make sure he applies pressure on the forwards, making sure he makes them to be uncomfortable to build from the back. But now it seems like he's all over the field, running, going where there's the ball. So I don't think that it's a tactical approach from the coaches, but I think a player and he has to fix something, because I can't understand a player that we relied on last season. In the season, he's not giving us anything, no assist, no goal. Or no, assist unayo, because I remember that goal Elga Sereno versus Richards Bay. He made that run and made sure he does a cutback. But I think confidence umfani ehlile and mele ibuyiswe as soon as possible, because le nkinga esiloku sibhekana nazo. The good thing about the squad depth is that we can look for a replacement anyway, anytime, because we know very well okay, now we have to rely on Ighodaro. I don't know about Silva, Silva. Where is Silva vele? Because I've tried to look in many publications whereby I will find reports saying maybe he's injured or but he's nowhere to be found. He no longer appears on the match day squads. So what's happening? Because I once read a comment saying maybe he was in the plans of coach Nasreddin Nabi. It's Nabi that bought him. So these two co-coaches, they don't see him as a perfect fit in their style of play. But yeah, you'll never know, because Guningo Gwenzakalayo. But I'm just a bit concerned. And someone else said he's injured. Kanjani bangambalanga kuleya squad lisa is injured. But asiphume ke endabeni ezimbi, let's focus on the good ones. Hakimi Ashcraft Thabiso Munyane is back. We saw him making the subs on the game versus Siswelele. So the thing now, the coaches will have a headache when selecting the best right back, especially when we play against the AS team. We the Solomons haven't said any foot wrong, and with Umonyane coming from an injury, angeke vele bamlahlele in the deep hands, but they will make sure ukuthi they integrate him ukuthi abuye ngendlela ukuthi bazom-introduce. Nakhona if it happens maybe uSolomons becomes injured, but yeah, ayizona indaba ezimnandi. Maybe we can start winning because since kwalimala yena ayikho imatch esisayiwinile. No, the only match esiyiwinile le Cabo Scope, but ku-league asiwinanga next, siloku siyadrawa nje, so rasta the artist. So it's a matter of time whereby ukuthi if you start losing siyobizwa ngabo Lost Draw FC, but asikho lapho kakhulu. Buyile uThabiso Monyane, hopeful ukuthi ke as the master of our spaces is back nento zethu izovuleka. But if kuyenzeka ke kusho ukuthi hayi indlondlo yewater kumele kwenziwe iplan ukuthi ayikhokhelwe ngoba ngathi kukhiyelwa amagoli, but indlela yokudlala hayi isisi straight because we still know how to find our way to the final third, but the problem is converting those chances. So the best choice for us, the best thing to do in order for us to win, the coaches mustn't make the same mistake they did versus Iswelele. We all see with the combination of Ox and Cele doesn't work. So there's no need forcing it. Especially not, let me not say good of Ox and Cele, but Ox and any player that has defensive qualities, even though can play as an 8. Because Ucele is playing that 8 of being static. It doesn't move around, doesn't play as a box to box. So we find it will make it difficult for us to be fluid when we attack and having those counter attacks, because he's always I don't know, sometimes I think he struggles to read the tempo of the game, whereby he has to switch the gear. He keeps on playing on gear 1. That's what affects sometimes the way how he plays, because I don't know what is happening with him psychologically. But hi man, yazi ukulunga ukubola kobisi ukulunga kwama. Some players are improving, others they are dropping the standard. So it's something that it is difficult to understand now, because Unyambo not Unyambo Induna, when he arrived at Chiefs, we thought that yeah, our midfield problems will be solved. So we know very well ukuthi Ucele and Ox cannot play together. Instead akufakwe umshini laphana, because we still need that creative spark, so that at least maybe if you can at least try get register a minimum of at least ama-shots and target maybe per match kube at least from 6 to 8, at least we know ukuthi lapho igoli lizophuma. But if you average 3, 2, obvious vele ama-goals azoba scarce, because the more you create, the more likely the chances of scoring become. So that's why we saw against Iswelele, we only had 2 shots on target and they all came from one play. It was Umduduzi Shabalala. So izinto ezithe ayizibe kanjalo, those is something I'd say yeah, it's a worrying factor, especially knowing very well the qualities of Ucele and how now he has dropped. Yeah, it is concerning. Let's talk about 7 meter madoda. Imali emalini akekho ngazi ukuthi where there's money goes to that place. Kaizer Chiefs is not doing well, but I think this can be a little bit of extra motivation to the club ukuthi winani and get to the group stages, you'll get your 7 meter. So no coach Kaze did assure us ukuthi hayi less so ithatha noma kanjani. So it simply means ukuthi hayi the 7 meter is motivating them. But besides that, I think it is a must-win game for them, because four unwinless streak is no chance play for any big team, because it is concerning. We know we are not scoring, so the only thing for us as Zameni to create many chances so that we can at least get that solitary goal. Maybe shut the back door if it is possible, because games like this don't need you to play that beautiful football. Play for results. You win, you advance to the next stage. So for Kaizer Chiefs, they need to do that. So they can't make the same mistake of fielding Ucele no Ox, because it doesn't work. It doesn't work. Even they can try to bring Undlovu, it won't work, because at least we need someone that can be responsible for protecting the back four, and the one that is going to be responsible for making sure that we have that creative spark. Because we know Guti, I like the way Umtu has improved in the past 4 games that we have played. I think we are international duty. added to his confidence, because you can see now with Diamond, he's playing the way that he's supposed to play. The only thing that is missing on his game is that final decision on the final third. If he improves on that, I believe Guti, we have a star Lapan. It's just in your good to know the pressure. At some point it can be overwhelming. But I believe with this next Lapan. So the best way in your Guti Kosi can't play Ucele no Ox in that middle of the park. I'm emphasizing this because I know Guti, we've tried and it doesn't work. It's either we sacrifice Ox, Kalutele, or sacrifice Ucele, Kala Ox. That's the only way. That's the only way. So I don't know what in Tabangani. What's your opinion? Because now 7 million idlala abantwana. Akekho umuntu ongeke ade akekho motivated ukuthi singathatha le 7 meter singene and then sobona ukuthi kwenzakalani phambili. Inkinga soyisolve ngendlela, but for now let's keep on grinding for results up until everything falls into place. This is it for today.